So if we look for the general solution in integration means you have to find an equation in y. Okay, that's that's the meaning of finding a general solution. And then it ends up with a plus c because it's a general solution. If we know or if we can find the specific c, the solution becomes what we call the particular solution. It's a specific. Okay, so how do we come up with a y if we are coming from a dy over dx? Any idea? You want to go back to y and you know the dy over dx. The derivative is from y to dy over dx. So if you're coming from a dy over dx, you can go back to y by integration. That's why it's a reverse operation. The derivative and integration are reverse process. Okay, so how do we proceed from the given that dy over dx is equal to 4x squared minus 2x plus 3? So the first thing that you have to do is to rewrite the expression like dy is equal to 4x squared minus 2x plus 3 and then dx. Okay? And then we get to integrate both sides. So integral of dy is equal to, diba? Kung ang y derivative niya ay dy, integral of dy is y. So lalabas yung y. And then we integrate the usual way. 4x squared minus 2x plus 3. The integral is do not be confused with the process. From integration, what's the process of integration? You add 1 and then divide by that exponent. So 4x squared, magkakaroon ng plus 1 yung 2. Kasi nagdi-derivative kayo eh. Over 3. Minus 2x, na 1 before, 1 plus 1, so 2, and then over 2, plus 3x, and then there is this plus c. Okay. So if you can simplify something or any expression, simplify. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So this time we now have y is 4x cubed over 3 minus x squared plus 3x plus c. This is the general solution. The general solution is the equation in y in which when you get the derivative, you go back to, or you get 4x squared minus 2x plus 3. Yun ang ibig sabihin niya. Naghahanap ka ng equation, kapag kinuha mong derivative, ito ang lalabas. So, i-reverse mo siya. You use integration. Question? Okay na?